Hey everyone, I can't wait to see you all again. Like for real, actually in the same place. Having fun in a crowded room, together. I know that may still feel a bit scary, but oh, those were good times. Michelle Cederberg here, certified speaking professional and health and productivity expert. For the last 15 years, I've been sharing my message with audiences around the world. And it's a message the world needs now more than ever. COVID-19 has changed so many things, but what hasn't changed is our need to connect, to learn, to become more resilient. And who'd have thought that our office would still be an ergonomic nightmare, carved precariously out of our living room, our kitchen, our spare bedroom, that we'd be constantly interrupted by our kids, the dog, all those Amazon deliveries, and that pants would become so optional in our professional lives. So that I can help you navigate the challenge of these crazy times, I've had to step up my game. I'm now a certified virtual presenter who can broadcast to you live from the comfort of my home studio. We've got the lights, we've got the cameras, we've got the microphones, we've got the what is this thing, honey?
A10 switcher.
Yes, the switcher, yes. Then there's the hardwired Ethernet cable, the HDMI this and the USB that, and a whole other pile of the alphabet that he helped me put together so that you can have the best, next best thing to live performance possible. It hasn't been easy, and there have been plenty of learnings along the way. But it has been so worth it. I still may not be able to see you so much, but I know that you will be able to see me. I recently published my newest book, The Success Energy Equation, How to Regain Focus, Recharge Your Life, and Really Get Shit Done. Oh, can I say that? Oh wait, of course I can. This is my house. The presentations and workshops I provide that are based on this research will help you and your team work better with more clarity, focus, and energy, whether you're working from home, in physically distanced workspaces, or if it's business as usual, providing essential services. I also offer idea-packed presentations to help you manage stress, strengthen mental health, reinvent work-life balance in the new world of work, and boost pandemic productivity. And I do it all without leaving home, so I won't charge you for travel. Oh, the glamour of travel. I just can't wait to join you lining up at security, snuggling up to strangers in a middle seat, or queuing at iffy breakfast buffets. But until then, and even after, with the right speaker in the right studio, the world of online live presentations can provide engaging, fun, and effective learning, and even inspiration. Let me be that speaker. You have the option to hire me for live or pre-recorded keynotes, short one-topic videos that you can share with your team wherever they are in the world, half-day workshops, and more. I'm Michelle Cederberg, and I can't wait to create a virtual experience that will inspire you and your team to higher levels of health, focus, and success. I hope to see you soon.